Been living here with my wife Jane and our 2 kids. We've been here for 9 years now, and before the project started, we had a 3-bed, 1-bath house which we'd sort of outgrown really, but we actually just really love this house. We've got great neighbours, we've got a lovely garden, feels like our home, and we just decided to try and make the best of the space that we had here. So look, from the outside, we're extending into what was originally the garage space, and inside here is going to be a boot room, then a downstairs toilet, and then through into the utility and on into the kitchen. Over the top here, we're going to go from the small bedroom that was at the front, so it's slightly larger than a box bedroom. It's my son's room. He's going to get a much bigger room going out over the side, an ensuite bathroom. So that's extended space that way. The rest of the entrance, as we go through, you'll see it's kind of opening up into a new, much bigger hallway. We can see in a second. So inside here, probably the first thing to say is the lounge. We're keeping exactly the same proportions. The room's just going to be reconfigured slightly so that we've got an area in this corner for sort of seating around the TV. We've got a wood burning stove that's going to go back in. Otherwise this room's pretty much as it was before. Just probably coming through into this space, this is the first bit that we've sort of knocked through into what was originally the garage. We had sort of a multifunctional room through here that did lots of different things. It's now going to be a dedicated sort of boot room space, a nice big downstairs toilet, and then the hallway. Now we've got this space nice and opened up, we're hoping that we'll be able to reconfigure the staircase just so it's coming sort of straight down here, gives a bit more room in this entranceway. So coming through the hallway into the sort of kitchen, open plan, living dining space, we've taken all of the wall out here so that hopefully we'll be able to put some nice big double doors, hopefully get some glazing in here. So the guys have opened this all up for us, a nice big entrance, and as it's sort of south facing from the front, we're hoping we'll be able to get lots of natural light coming through the hallway into this space at the back. This little space here was a pantry that was accessed. It's an original pantry from the sort of 1950s construction of the house. Originally there would have been a little kitchen in front of it here. Where we were in the property, there was a sort of small kitchen just behind you here, and we used this space as a bit of a dining area. We're hoping to keep the pantry integrated into the kitchen, so we'll have tall kitchen units along the back here, and the pantry will actually be a hidden pantry through some kitchen doors into there. Nice sort of section in the corner here where the bifolds are going to open up. We'll be sort of catching the morning sun, sort of drinking coffee over there, and then a nice big living area, again another nice big picture window, looking out into the garden on the other side of the room. And just behind over here is where it's going to be sort of cornered off for the sort of plant room and utility. Originally the kitchen was in this sort of very small extension that was, you can just about see where the walls of the original kitchen were. So this was the kitchen. We had a very small kind of U-shaped kitchen in here, and we wanted to open this space all up really so that it felt more like one big sort of flowing area. So yeah, that was the intention, was to go as far as we could. But we've been working with Lex to make sure that we've already landscaped the garden, so we wanted to try and retain as much of the garden landscaping as we could, and that's kind of dictated how far out into the garden we wanted to come.